Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 5 top stories we are covering. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin today's update, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to receive notifications for all our future tech updates. Rocket Bell. See the National Park Service's newest canine rangers. Denali National Park in Alaska relies on sled dogs each winter to navigate deep snow and conduct essential operations, including trail blazing, supply transport, and scientific research support. These canine rangers have been integral to park operations for over a century, with new litters trained annually to maintain the team of more than 30 dogs. A live puppy cam now allows the public to follow the progress of the newest sled dog puppies as they prepare for their roles as full-fledged working dogs in the harsh Alaskan environment. What a landmark verdict reveals about social media and youth. A landmark 2024 study analyzing data from over 1.1 million young people across 182 studies found that general social media use shows small but consistent associations with depression and anxiety. The research, led by Ahmed and colleagues, reveals that while social media is a defining feature of adolescence, with nearly 60% of the global population using these platforms, problematic use patterns such as compulsive or uncontrollable usage pose greater mental health risks for youth. Nvidia claims its new Vera ARM CPU is 80% faster than leading x86 CPUs. Nvidia has unveiled its new Vera ARM-based CPU, claiming it delivers 80% faster performance than leading x86 processors. The Vera CPU features 88 Olympus cores, supports up to 176 threads per socket, and can be paired with up to 1.5 TB of LPDDR5X RAM for high-bandwidth AI workloads. It is designed for both standalone use in AI inference and data processing, and in tandem with Nvidia's Rubin GPUs via the nvlink C2C interconnect. Key customers including Anthropic, OpenAI, and major hyperscalers have committed to using Vera in their infrastructure. ChatGPT says you should buy this under-the-radar AI stock. Nvidia Inc. NASDAQ, INOD, has risen 51 this year and reported 54 year-over-year growth in Q1, with its revenue growth outlook for 2026 raised to over 40. The company specializes in creating and labeling AI training data, which is crucial for improving AI model performance. Despite its strong performance, some analysts suggest other AI stocks may offer greater upside potential. Talk Python to me. 547. Parallel Python at any scale with Ray. Ray has emerged as a critical component of the Python AI stack, originally developed to address reinforcement learning challenges that Apache Spark couldn't handle. The framework enables developers to write parallel Python code that scales from local machines to large clusters, making distributed computing accessible to individual developers. Edward Oakes discusses how Ray facilitates practical parallel processing at any scale, allowing the same code to run on everything from laptops to 100-node GPU clusters. This capability has become increasingly important as reinforcement learning has gained prominence in training large language models like those used in ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share your comments and feedbacks below. We love hearing from you. Thumbs up speech balloon. That's all for today's news. Stay informed, and I will see you in the next update.